Previously on ApprenticeEh.
It's like it's winter time.
I will.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Super Star Wars.
Cheese.
I love cheese.
Cheese. Everybody's got some cheese.
Do Dutch people like cheese?
I mean, you know, it's it can be. It's yeah. No, definitely. Cheese is a wonderful thing.
Wait, don't you like?
Everybody
you don't like your butter salted or something? We were talking about
You
weren't
okay.
around.
I don't. Butter with salt is only for very specific occasions.
If you put salted butter on like a bun or something, it's just gonna taste like salt.
Yeah, aren't you Dutch?
It's gonna
Don't-
taste like butter.
Don't Dutch people?
It tastes like butter.
No, it's gonna taste like
That is
salted
good.
butter.
Oh, Dutch fights. Dutch fights. Where's
Salted
Rianna?
butter. No salted butter in baking because then you have
Well,
too
that's
much
what
salt.
that was what I was saying.
And that's what Corrado said. But just on your toast.
But she's saying because the Dutch have the double salted licorice.
Just Dutch people
why
love
don't
salt.
you just
Don't they love
salt
salt?
everything?
No.
Why don't you just double salt everything?
Yeah. Double salt.
It's me, the M, the AC, the K. Sounding like a French pop back in the day. Take it to the
New things. He's like making it really hard for me to lift him.
Please, no, please, please.
Hey.
Please,
No.
please, no, please, please.
Please, here's some peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
You want some yummy peanut butter? Nope.
He wants nothing to do with peanut butter.
It's okay, 3PO. Good boy. Eat the peanut butter. It'll make you feel better. If you eat peanut butter, it's almost like you're not having a bath.
Yeah.
The way his face just avoids it.
I'm not interested. Don't you bribe me?
Ooh, yum. You got a little lick there. Yum, it's so good. Yummy.
I thought he likes peanut butter.
He does.
That's what I thought.
He can't focus
Yeah.
on treats when he's in distress.
It's called being over the threshold.
What is he licking at? Just
Nothing.
He's just licking.
They do it to kind of tell you, like, I love you, please don't do this.
oh, I see.
It's just like kisses, like, please, I love you, here's kisses, please stop.
Just a glob of
Peanut butter.
peanut butter.
It fell off the spoon.
Good.
Not the soap. Oh, I'm gonna smell like a girl.
I like the lipstick on his cheek.
Yeah. Sam kissed him.
Oh, that sounds good. Can I be next? I'll lay in the bathtub and you can all.
Right? That's how I feel. I'm like, why don't you like this? This is like, look at his top, like, pampering over here.
Right.
Oh, it smells like wet dog and poopy dog and peanut butter all at the same time. Just
Sounds-
all of these.
It's another day at ApprenticeEh. Want some peanut butter?
Looks good on the camera wet, Chewy.
Wanna do it again?
I love his curly hair.
Oh, geez. Stay. I'm so.
Yeah, I bet.
Thanks, dude. Don't roll in things and then we don't need to bathe you.
I like the head shake and then you just see the butt just go boop, boop.
Well, they have to shake from their head. If you want to stop them, you gotta grab them here, and then it'll fizzle out, but like it won't continue, because they have to start from their head. Oh, you look like so sad right now. I'm almost done. I'm helping you.
But the curly, frizzy hair.
I know, it's beautiful.
You know how much
It's
people pay
crisp.
for that crimp?
I know, right? It's like that's what I look like before like my grade 2 school photo. Just like totally crimped. Here's some carpet. Come on.
was finally dry. Wow, you just puffed up. It was, you just gained like 15 pounds.
Oh, I showed up. He's like, no, not again.
Good boy, Chewy. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Then he hears the sound of treats.
So fluffy.
Oh my gosh, you're so beautiful.
I just want
Sit. Hi. Good boy. Look at his tail now. It used to be a full fan, and now it's just this tuft of hair. All his hair is gone. I love how he's like running and shaking at the same time. Just like.
Home is where the bar is.